Another newcomer to the Mirka family of power tools is the DEOS Delta. It's the perfect tool for getting into tight areas, like window frames, corners, and trim. With a brushless motor allowing for a low-profile design, it's only 10 centimeters tall, about 4 inches, allowing you to get even closer to your work. The DEOS Delta has a 3mm orbit, which allows for fine control without sacrificing stock removal. Due to the nature of this Sanders Delta design, a non-net abrasive must be used. A high-performance abrasive that we recommend is Mirka's Iridium. It has a stepped RPM control by default, but features a manual mode that can be entered by holding down the plus and minus buttons. The RPM is then manually controlled via the paddle. It has low vibration levels and is easily operated with one hand. The power cables and dust extractor connectors are standardized with other Mirka power tools and dust extractors, allowing you to spend more time sanding and less time setting up. Mirka's power tools have a 2+1 year warranty, and it's easy to register a new tool via the Bluetooth connection to the My Mirka app. The DEOS Delta is a great complement to the Mirka DEOS, allowing you to tackle any corners or profiles that a job might throw at you.